मेरी दरख्वास्त है आप सबसे कि प्लीज छूइएगा पर खोलिएगा मत इसे राइट नाउ। जस्ट कीप इट विद यू, आपके साथ रखिए। राजी टिफिन सर्विसेज से है, पर रुको।
ये सोसाइटी की मीटिंग चल रही है क्या?
हेलो 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 सर।
हाँ, हाँ।
वेलकम, नमस्ते नमस्ते। मुझे बताइए कि ये डब्बे आपने डिलीवर किए कि आप यहाँ पे रहते हैं?
नहीं 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 नहीं, मैं पाठक एफडीसी ऑफिसर हूँ मैं। ये वीवा लाइफ फार्मास्यूटिकल में जो वो मोडेला को लेकर जो इशू चल रहा है ना, उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहा हूँ मैं।
और मैं असिस्टेंट इंस्पेक्टर प्रीति, मैं इस केस पर इनके साथ काम कर रही हूँ।
वो इंटरेस्टिंग है, पर तो फिर आपको पता है, आप जानते हैं कि ये डब्बे किसने भेजे?
वो राजी की हाउस हेल्प माला, वो स्कूटर पे दिखी थी अभी मुझे उसके बेटी के साथ, उसी ने भेजा होगा ना, अंदर बाहर कर रही थी।
अरे क्या डब्बा डब्बा लगा रखा है? ये इन्वेस्टिगेट करने आया हूँ मैं, हैं? ये तुम्हारा काम है। ये एक मिनट। ओह
तो दो।
ओह माय गॉड, ये बहुत बड़ी लीड मिली है, हमें जाना पड़ेगा, हमें
नहीं,
जाना पड़ेगा।
नहीं,
नहीं
सर।
नहीं, निकलना है।
बता दो।
नो 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 नो, बस बस।
कुछ तो बता देते यार। ये क्या है भाई? डब्बे में जर्मनी का ब्रोशर है, क्या है ये सब?
ये डब्बा डिलीवरी सर्विस मेरी है और ये ब्रोशर मेरे हस्बैंड हरी का है।
ओह, सो ग्लैड टू मीट यू। तो ये आपका है, पर आप दोनों जर्मनी जाना चाहते हैं?
हाँ, हरी का सपना है और उनका सपना पूरा करने के लिए मैं डब्बा सर्विस चलाती हूँ मेरी बिजनेस पार्टनर माला के साथ। हरी वीवा लाइफ फार्मर।
एक मिनट, जर्मनी जाना मेरा सपना है राजी, तुम्हें उसके लिए कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। तुम बस साथ रहो, साथ चलो। सब जुगाड़ कर लिया है मैंने। हेलो सर, मैं आया।
अरे
हाँ सर, आया
अरे
आया।
अरे रुको, अरे प्लीज रुको, कोई तो बता के जाओ यार। टिफिन सर्विस उसका डब्बे में क्या, कुछ तो बता देती यार। पर मुझे लगता है कि एक से काम नहीं चलेगा, हर डब्बे का राज खोलना पड़ेगा। खोलना पड़ेगा या नहीं समीना? हाँ या ना? खोलना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो चलिए नेक्स्ट डब्बा खोलते हैं और देखते हैं उसके अंदर क्या है। मेरे साथ लेट्स गो। टाई। वेल, ये टाई इस डब्बे में क्या कर रही है? शायद, मुझे लगता है शायद वो माला से जुड़ा होगा, जैसे इंस्पेक्टर प्रीति कह रही थी थोड़ी देर पहले। किसी बच्चे का लगता है, क्योंकि शायद उसकी बेटी का। और राजी और माला बिजनेस पार्टनर्स है और साथ में डब्बा चलाती हैं। सोचने वाली बात यह है कि शायद जैसे राजी अपने पति के हरी के लिए डब्बा चला रही है, माला अपनी बेटी के लिए डब्बा चला रही होगी। आपको क्या लगता है? पॉसिबल, कुछ भी हो सकता है, काफी राज है उसके अंदर बंधे हुए। वैसे ये सब अब एक बहुत दिलचस्प होता जा रहा है, एक बहुत दिलचस्प कहानी होती जा रही है। हरी का जर्मनी जाना, राजी को अपने हेल्प के साथ डब्बा बनाना। अब मुझे और जानना है, अब मैं और उतावला हो रहा हूं, इंक्विजिटिव हो रहा हूं। आपको भी आई एम श्योर जानना होगा, तो चलो फिर एक और डब्बा खोले। खुला डब्बा और मिली है चाबी। चाबी, चाबी से जुड़ा है वीवा लाइफ का एक और किरदार। बुला ले।
ये चाबी देख रहे हैं आप? मेरे पास ऐसी बहुत चाबियां हैं, क्योंकि मैं ब्रोकर हूँ, रियल एस्टेट एजेंट। इन चाबियों से मेरा धंधा चलता है, पर मेरा एक रूल है, मुझे बहुत पैसा कमाना है और वो भी कैश, ओनली कैश। बहुत पैसा कमा के इस धंधे से बाहर निकलना है मुझे, है ना? क्या देख रहे हैं? चाबी दे। इधर आ, चाबी दो, चाबी दो, चाबी दो। घर दिखाना है लोगों को, टाइम खोटी करते हैं।
चाबी तो दे दो यार, प्लीज। अच्छा चाबी नहीं, पैसे तो दे के जाओ यार। अरे यार ये भी चली गई यार। अब तो आंसर्स तो मिल नहीं रहे हैं, तो चलिए देखते हैं आखिरी डब्बे में क्या है। आप मेरे साथ हो, चौथे डब्बे पे ही हो ना? खोले चौथा डब्बा। सितारा खुल गया नहीं डब्बा, सितारा बुटीक ना, इसके साथ भी जुड़ी है एक और कहानी, कहानी शंकर और वरुणा की। वेलकम 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 वेलकम। शंकर, ये सितारा आपका है?
जी नहीं, विवा लाइफ फार्मास्यूटिकल्स मेरा है। सितारा मेरे वाइफ वरुणा की है। एक्सक्यूज मी।
Shankar, one minute.
हेलो, या
वीवा लाइफ फार्मास्यूटिकल्स कभी मेरा भी हुआ करता था। खैर, सितारा को मैंने अपने 6 साल दिए हैं एंड आई कैन डू जस्ट एनीथिंग टू कीप इट अफ्लोट। बाय गाइस।
हे, अच्छा बता के तो चाहिए। ये यहाँ, वो यहाँ, really don't know, but अब तो सारे डब्बे खुल गए हैं। ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे लगता है सिर्फ एक इंसान, यानी एक शख्स इस मिस्ट्री को सॉर्ट कर सकती है, और वो है शीला जी।
भैया, सर्वाइवल के लिए क्या कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता है। डब्बा डिलीवरी सर्विस को डब्बा कार्टेल बनना पड़ता है, बनना पड़ेगा।
A huge round of applause for Shabana ji, and let's welcome on stage the women.
इससे ज्यादा ताली बज सकती है। थैंक यू। हाँ,
The women of Dabba Cartel. A big thank you to all the magnificent ladies of Dabba Cartel and wishing you the best.
थैंक यू। चलो एक एक करके।
Thank you, Sachin. Thank you so much for making it here today. We are meeting after Next on Netflix with one of our most exciting shows of the year, a partnership that I'm personally so excited about with Excel Entertainment. आप सबने ट्रेलर देखा. I hope you liked it. Yes, we are very, very excited about this show because there are crime dramas and then there are crime dramas and then there is Dabba Cartel. Dabba Cartel is a very unique crime drama series. It's about the everyday hustle of women running a dabba business और उनके husbands जो कि pharma company में काम करते हैं, जो खुद भी बहुत ambitious हैं, and they have their plans, their bosses have their plans, and then how all of them living in this Viva Life society, a representation of which you are seeing here today, decide to make some choices. All of us make choices in our life, moral choices, everyday choices. सबको आगे बढ़ना होता है. And you know, when you're running a regular dabba business or you're working in a pharma company or any company, you make some choices. And then those choices have consequences. And that is where the crime and the investigation comes in. It's really a power-packed show with characters that you have seen in your life, in your society, in your neighborhood, and that you see on screen played by the most stellar cast. If I can say, what is the superpower of this show? The superpower of this show is the absolutely superb cast of this show, starting with Shabana ji, with Gajraj Rao, with Jyotika, Lilat Dubey, Jishu Sengupta, Shalini Pandey, Anjali Anand, Sai Tamankar, Bhupendra Singh Jarawat, and of course Nimisha Sajan. Nimisha is not here with us today because of a family reason, but I want to call her out. The Mala in this show will make you laugh and will make you cry. Both. She's so fabulous, and the whole cast is so amazing that you will really want to see what are they doing every day while they're packing dabbas, or they're fighting with their husbands, or husbands are pushing wives, you know, to, okay, I'm not going to say. No more, to go to Germany or I don't know what. You have to see what happens. But really, it's one of the most, you know, delightful, you know, tension-ridden, with investigation going on, and yet you have humor and you see everyday life. It's one of the shows, it's one of my favorite shows of the year. So please give it up for Dabba Cartel. Thank you.
and for the creators of Dabba Cartel. Starting with Shibani Akhtar, and Gaurav, who brought us the idea, and Vishnu and Akanksha Seda, and of course Vishnu and Bhavna, who've written the show, the director Hitesh Bhatia, and actually the entire cast and crew, the creative producers Qasim and Abbas, and how can I forget, really the most wonderful, wonderful producers, Ritesh Sidwani and Farhan Akhtar, the powerhouse duo from Excel Entertainment, who've been delighting people on streaming. They have made so many amazing series and films. Our last film, Kho Gaye Hum Kahan, was such a big success with them. So give it up for all of them. And a huge thank you to everyone who's involved with this show and to you guys for being here today. And I think I should call them on stage, or Sachin should call them on stage.
My question to all three of you is, from the looks of it, Dabba Cartel seems like an exhilarating watch. How does it feel that finally we are here today at the trailer launch?
No, you should answer. You're the director of the show.
No, I just gave her, because it's her idea. You know, they have been working on it for such a long time. Of course, I joined the journey much later. But an incredible experience from hearing the first line and then coming everything alive. But I'll let Shibani and Gaurav talk more on this.
Well, I mean, it's definitely been a very long journey, but it's been a very fruitful journey. It's had ups and downs, like I'm sure any show has when you're in the making process. But I think that we have come a very long way, and we're very happy with what we put out, and we can't wait to share it with the world. And we hope that they love what they watch. GK?
You know, actually, when we always joke about it, Shivani and me joke about it, when people ask us how we created Dabba Cartel, we always joke that I came up with a Dabba and she came up with a cartel. And that is true, actually, in a way, because when we thought about it, our basic idea came from, we used to think, why are we this way in storytelling, where it's either a story or it's a female-centric story, right? Nobody ever says it's a male-centric story, right? So we said, can we make a story where it's not like we are saying, oh, women are doing this. We'll create the world, and we'll create the entire thriller, and then we'll say, it just so happens. It could be men, it could be women, right? So I think that was the genesis of even trying to think of an idea. And I have a picture on my phone, which is from way back, many, many years ago when we were coming up with the idea. In my living room, there's a whiteboard. Shivani's in front of it with a marker. And we had written, there's only two things that are written on that board. Dabba Cartel, which was the name, and then cast 1 Shabana Azmi. That's all we had written. And today, all those years later, we've started, and I keep messaging her, I said, from that whiteboard and those 5 color markers to here, it just feels so surreal. And we're just so grateful to this entire village of people who just got aligned with that. It feels surreal.
Well, kudos to you. Your vision boards come to life. And, finally, and congratulations on that. And we can't wait to deep dive into the world of Dabba Cartel. And with that, let's now call on the executive producers from Excel Entertainment. Let's welcome Ritesh Sidwani and Farhan Akhtar. Welcome to both of you, and congratulations on yet another fantastic, fantastic content that's dished out on Netflix right here. Like millions of others, I've loved the stories that have come out of Excel Entertainment, and so all of us are excited, looking forward to it. My question's to both of you, that Excel Entertainment has a legacy of delivering gripping, high-quality content, and we want to know that what made Dabba Cartel the perfect story to bring to Netflix and to all of us, the audiences.
Good afternoon. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. No, thank you. I think, like in terms of ये जो title ही है आपको इतना intriguing लगता है कि Dabba, which is we're all very familiar with the Dabba which goes on in this city and the country, the Dabba service, and along with that you have cartel attached, which makes it even more exciting. So I think you have a very interesting story where these characters who come together to start this Dabba business, but unexpectedly it becomes a cartel. And each of these characters written by these amazing creators and the writers have so many layers, and with their families and all of them living. So I think it's something you haven't seen before. And that's what, on reading the first pitch itself, is when we said that this is a story we must tell. And that's how the journey started.
Farhan?
Yeah, maybe I'll just completely support what Ritesh says. और मुझे लगा जब मैंने सुना कि टाइटल है डब्बा कार्टेल, तो लेयर्स तो होंगे ही इस शो में, तो ये तो एक बात थी. और उसके अलावा अगर आप देखें तो इट वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कमिंग टुगेदर ऑफ टू वेरी यूनिक जॉनर्स ऑफ अ वेरी हमें फैमिली ड्रामा हमने बहुत देखा है टेलीविज़न पे, जो घर घर की के अंदर जो कहानियाँ होती हैं हमने देखी हैं, तो वो एक दुनिया थी. और एक दुनिया है जो थ्रिलर की है, and of some kind of a scandal that is happening in the pharmaceutical world. So साथ में when they combined, it created a very, very unique experience in terms of imagining what this world and the script could be like. So that's why we are here. I want to, of course, thank Monica and her incredible team at Netflix for their belief in the show and their partnering and support of making it from the word go. And the two other names I'd like to take here are our fellow executive producers sitting there. There's Abbas and Qasim. Without them, it was very, very difficult to have pulled it through the way we have. So thank you guys. Yeah, and that's why we're here.
Thank you, and a big thank you to both of you as well, and the entire team.
Sorry, I just want to say something here to what Farhan was saying. Truly, they have created a Narcos Thane. It is there in the show, and it is what it is.
We're looking forward to that, and we saw a trailer and we got a glimpse of the different layers, and we can't wait to watch the entire series on the 28th of. हो गया है कि इस Viva Life Society के खास मीटिंग के लिए, जिसके लिए पूरी कार्टेल को बुला लेते हैं मंच पर. Let's welcome on stage the incredibly talented and phenomenal cast of Dabba Cartel. Begin with Shabana Azmi ji. Well, first things first, I'm sure media के हमारे सारे जो दोस्त यहाँ पे जुड़े हैं, उनके जहन में काफी सवाल होंगे. I see Samina looking right into my eyes and saying कि सचिन मुझे सवाल पूछना है. Hold on. हाँ जी, सबसे पहले आपसे सवाल, पर उससे पहले आपने जो एक्सेंट पे जो पकड़ बनाई रखी है ना, वो इतनी फैंटास्टिक है, हमको बहुत पसंद आई. When we are Shabana ji are live, like come on, उतना तो मौका बनता है.
अब आप बोलना बंद करें तो मैं प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ डायलॉग बोलने के लिए. माल तुम्हारा होगा, लेकिन मार्केट मेरा है.
Bigger round of applause. Thank you.
शुक्रिया.
Thank you so much. Wow. Seeing some, Shabana ma'am performing live right here, it is indeed a treat. So thank you ma'am. Shabana ji, my questions to you कि आपने अपनी करियर में इतने पावरफुल और लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए हैं. डब्बा कार्टेल में जो आपका कैरेक्टर है, ऐसा क्या था जिसने आपको इंस्टेंटली अट्रैक्ट किया कि हे आई वांट टू डू दिस?
देखिए भाई, घर का मामला है. बहू ने हुक्म दिया, बेटा प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, मेरी औकात के मैं ना बोलूं. घर का मामला था.
But so we want to know what any character.
No, the character is fascinating. It's very fascinating because you have no idea where she's going, what she's going to be doing, and at this point, it was just something that came my way, and I got very excited, and I looked forward to it.
We are also looking forward to it. So
thank you.
Thank you. Kajat sir, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपके कैरेक्टर में कोई ऐसा अनएक्सपेक्टेड एलिमेंट या सरप्राइज है जो आपके लिए नया था, कोई मोमेंट जो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते ही जिसने आपको एक्साइट किया कि आई लाइक दैट?
मतलब आमतौर पे तो मैं डायलॉग्स याद करता हूँ, इसमें दवाइयों के नाम याद करने थे. तो मुझे लगा कि इतने सारी दवाइयों के नाम याद हो गए हैं तो फार्मास्यूटिकल में कुछ एंट्री ले सकता हूँ. मैं फार्मेसी तो खोल ही सकता हूँ.
थँक यू सर. सई, कशी आहेस? पहिला शोधायला लागतं मला, एवढी लोक आहेत इकडे. कशी आहेस तू? झकास.
मस्त.
Mast. Looking forward to your character right here in Dabba Cartel. Now, playing a police officer comes with own set of challenges. How did you prepare for the role? We would like to know. And also, was there a particular scene in the series that really, really tested you?
रोज सुबह उठ के पुलिस स्टेशन जाकर बैठती थी मैं. Jokes apart, पर every scene was testing because our captain is very hard to please. तो हमें बहुत
पूछो मेरे दिल से.
पर मजा आया. I think it's a pleasure, privilege to be working with such amazing people, and I'm just very happy to be here.
Wishing you the best for this one.
Thank you.
Hitesh, my next question, the boss. Now, what was it like directing this powerhouse ensemble and bringing together such iconic performers in a world of crime and suspense?
Poor thing. He'll actually have to answer this while we are sitting. Poor thing.
I think in the beginning, when this entire thing started, I was honestly a bit nervous. But when they all came along, I think the nervousness soon changed into a lot of excitement because all of them are such fabulous performers. So in a way, my job was much, much easier. You know, all of them are such accomplished actors. So I think it was a fabulous experience and almost like a learning curve also for me.
Then why did you give us such a hard time?
झूठ
If
है
it
ये.
was so easy.
झूठ है ये, मेरे को बोला.
और बैकस्टेज ये तो कुछ और ही बोल रहा था.
झूठ है, इनकी बातें मत सुनो.
पर हमने जो ट्रेलर में देखा है, डेफिनेटली ईज दिख रहा है सबके कैरेक्टर्स में. So
बस मेरा ईज नहीं दिख रहा यहाँ पर. इसके अलावा मैं हर जगह ईज पे ही रहता हूँ.
thank you, Hitesh. Well, Jyotika ma'am, my question is for you. This is your first collaboration with Netflix, and the response to your presence in Dabba Cartel has been fantastic. What is it that drew you to this particular story?
I'd say what is there not to draw me to the story? Firstly, Shabana Azmi Akhtar ma'am. I think she was a powerhouse name to just be attached to. And then, of course, Excel and the team, and we know. And I'm very, I don't know, I'm very attached to this because I feel there's a lot of women heading the show, from Monica on Netflix to Shabani and all of us. There was a huge women's team that worked on Dabba Cartel, and I personally felt even our crew had 70 to 80% women working in the crew. So I think just for the fact that this is absolute women power, there's no reason not to be on it.
Let's give it up for all the women in the house. Come on. Jishu sir, my question's for you. If you had to describe your character in 3 words, what would it be?
Case अभी subjudice है, so I can't say. I have to ask him अभी. So I loved. 4 हो जाएगा. I loved my character. I can't say much about it. So, but as she said, the cast, the story, the producers, everything was so amazing that you can't say no to it. So that was it. But जब आप सर देंगे, सर आप दोगे, सब जुडीज है. So that's about it, yeah.
Thank you, and wish you the best. Thank you. Shalini, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. How are you?
Fantastic, thank you. Shalini, how was the experience of stepping into the Dabba Cartel, and especially alongside seasoned actors like Shabana ji and Gajraj sir and Jyotika?
First of all, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for coming. I hope you really like a trailer. We're very excited. And then now coming to the question. I have my mom, my dad, they love Shabana Azmi. I've heard about her through them, from them, and I've seen her films. I've been a huge, huge fan. So, just to be a part of a cast like this, it's a privilege. It's a very enriching experience to just be starring alongside her and all the women, and we had a lot of fun. So yes, Gajraj sir and I didn't have a scene together. I wish we do, because I admire his work. Jyotika, of course, I've seen her work, and I have just had a lot of fun working with these women. And again, like how Jyotika said, to be a part of a team that has so many women, headed by women, Shibani, Monica, everyone. It was just so much fun to be a part of a set like this. So I had a lot of fun, yeah.
लगता है आज हवन करके आई हैं.
सब रट के आई हुए हैं.
No, but wish you the best and thank you so much. We're looking forward to that.
Thank
you. अंजलि, पहले सबसे पहले चाबी दे दो मेरी वापस.
नहीं मिलेगी.
अभी चाबी नहीं, चलो पैसे तो दे दो यार.
वो भी नहीं मिलेंगे.
वेल आप डब्बा कार्टेल में एक ब्रोकर का रोल प्ले कर रही है एंड बताइए इस रोल के लिए कितना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आपने यूज़ किया एंड कोई ऐसी रियल लाइफ इंस्पिरेशन या ऑब्जर्वेशन जो आपके कैरेक्टर को शेप करने में आपको हेल्प करी है.
अगर आपने कभी बॉम्बे में घर ढूंढने की कोशिश की है तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट वन एक्सपीरियंस इज इनफ. I think to see how a broker and a estate agent works, not the fancy ones that we see, पर वो जो हमारे actual real estate agents होते हैं, the way they behave, the way they just don't care about anything else. They are like, आ जाओ घर दिखा दो मेरे पास चाबी है. So I think that confidence and that I rule the world attitude is what I think Shahida is all about. And yeah. I think that was enough experience for me to, I have seen maybe 100 houses in Bombay before moving into something and I think that was enough experience for me to play Shahida the way I did.
और मुंबई के रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स का कॉन्फिडेंस और एटीट्यूड आप में पूरा का पूरा छलक रहा है इस
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, little ma'am, my next question is for you and आप अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में if you could share something, what can we expect from you in Dabba Cartel?
I don't know what you can expect. I enjoyed doing it because though I hated my wig, which I put on for this show, which was a very bad mistake, I'm saying it because Shabana is going to make some lob about it. Every time we would shoot, you know, I decided to wear this wig, I don't know for God knows what reason, to look different, to look like this madam who has moved on from the drug trade and is not really moved on, but is sort of moved up in society. And I don't know why I decided to do it. So I have to talk about the wig because it was a very important part of our shoot. And it was a ghastly wig, not because of the production. It just turned out to be a very poor wig. And every time we shot, it was always open air. So matlab ye wig had a life of its own. यहाँ से वहाँ मेरे मुंह पे सब कुछ. And रोज शबाना जी कहती थी, हाँ हाँ और विग पहनो, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे विग पहनना है. So ये हमारा sort of byline बन गया शो में. And so one was of course the character, which was a very interesting character. She had nice shades to her, and I can't say very much about the character, but I thoroughly enjoyed doing the series. It's not a very large role, but it's an interesting role because it was Farhan and Shivani's show, and I got to do a lot of scenes with one of my very favorite actresses, which was Shabana. So I think that was a big pull. The producers and Shabana. Unfortunately, all these lovely ladies didn't have too many scenes with me, but we had a few, and they were a lovely bunch. And the trailer's looking amazing, absolutely. So I'm really looking forward. I hope I'm not a miss and blink in the series. Farhan, I'm looking at you and Shibani. You can answer.
No, that wig will never go unnoticed.
Oh, be quiet.
We have made sure. इस शो में इतने
There's so many shots.
के नीचे हमने छुपाए.
I mean, now everyone's going to notice that wig. I shouldn't have spoken about it. No, I'm very happy to have been part of it, and the character is definitely very interesting.
But also, Lilith, the relationship between you and me is one of the warmest and loveliest in the entire
and most
series.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not black and white.
Yeah,
It's got so many
They
shades.
take on each other's roles.
Yes,
You know, sometimes
yes.
she becomes the.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
very lovely.
Yeah, yeah. I'll
Nicely written, Shibani. Nicely written, Abba.
Yes. It's very nicely delineated, this particular relationship. I'm sure the others are, but I have not seen the series. But yes, I was very happy with our relationship.
So kind of like the sisters in arms, yeah?
Kind of, but even more than that. It's a very old relationship, you know, a 30, 35-year-old relationship. And I think you have to be this age to really understand
age
that.
का इतना जिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Constantly age क्या?
Well, it's a very deep relationship. Okay, so.
But wishing you the best, and we're looking forward to that character, and also the wig has a personality, so we
Oh
also look forward
God,
to
I
that
should never have spoken about the wig. Okay.
Oh, is it? That I think Hitesh will answer that because Hitesh had a million expressions when she was answering about it. He's saying the wig is backstage. Let's bring it on. No. Monica, my next question is for you. Dabba Cartel brings together an incredibly talented cast and a gripping storyline. What excited you more about this series, and how does it fit into your vision of storytelling?
See, now I'm most excited of the wig. The director has said we should move on from it, but I think all of you have to watch all the episodes to see the life of the wig. No, but I think, like Jyotika rightly said, you know, what's not to love? It is a crime drama, it is a drama thriller, it is an investigative drama. It really mixes up these genres in the most fascinating way. जैसे डब्बे में अलग अलग डब्बे और levels होता है, literally इस show में भी जो सबके tracks हैं, जो कहानियाँ हैं, how the two worlds collide, that I think is very fascinating और जो बहुत कम shows में देखने को मिलता है. So when we started out on this journey from the idea, when you know Shibani came with the idea, I think what excited us really between me, my team, how we, you know, when we read the initial drafts, it was just how the story was just moving across, you know, the two different kinds of worlds. और इतना familiar world है, you know, थाने का एक suburb, हम सब लोग बॉम्बे में रहते हैं, और जो बॉम्बे में नहीं भी रहते, for, you know, people living anywhere in the world, you know what a metro city life is. और वो जो रोज़ की, you know, hustle होती है, जो जद्दोजहद होती है, you get up, you work, you know, whether you're going for work or you're doing a business out of home. And in that, you know, everyone is ambitious. आप सब अपनी life बेहतर करना चाहते हैं. You want your dreams to come true. जैसे Shalini joined this show to go to Germany. Yes, Raji and Hari, who want to go to Germany. And everyone else who has, you know, something that they desire and they're working towards. And that's so true for all of us here, you know. There is something that you want and that you're working towards. And how does it really play out? You're always presented with something in life which is a forked road. You know, you're standing at that moment जब आप कुछ choice करेंगे between 1 and 2. You know, and when you do that, life takes you on a different path. So for some people that path works out, for some people it's, you know, a roller coaster ride. So this show is actually such a intense and at the same time a very quirky and in parts emotional roller coaster ride. So it's really a full suite of emotions that you feel with it, and you want to know all the time what's next. It's the perfect binge show, and that's what excited us. And I think it's shaped up so amazingly with this really stellar cast. सब लोगों ने अपना रोल इतने अच्छे से मतलब निभाया है. I mean, they're all experienced, but I think what excites me also is that they're all from different parts of the country. And this show is meant for pan-India, and that's what really excites me, and of course for the world. So that's the most exciting part for me.
So it's relatable, yet a roller coaster ride that we look forward to. Thank you. How does your character, as you know, Monica was also talking about the balance between the two forces, how does your character balance the two forces, and what was the most exciting part of playing the character Hari?
Okay. सबसे पहले तो good evening everybody for coming here, and thank you for doing this. Actually, he is not able to balance it out. And that's the most funniest part of his character. He's trying, but when you are very passionate about your dream, your ambition, you tend to miss out something. Your family, your loved ones, and that's what happening with me and Raji. But इनका character ऐसा है कि ये बहुत कुछ कर रही है हरी के लिए. हरी शायद कुछ भूल जाए, बट इनका पैशन क्या है मुझे पता नहीं है, वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा शो में. बट फॉर मी, फॉर हरी, शी इज़ हेल्पिंग हिम फॉर जर्मनी, एंड या, व्हाट वाज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन? हाँ
आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में and about protecting the family and balancing between the two forces.
यार
दो दुनिया है ना?
the lightness of the character. There's so much of happening in his life, but still वो जो lightness maintain करता है, वो बहुत अच्छी थी.
लाइटनेस और आपने
Lightness.
आपके कैरेक्टर में एक लाइटनेस भी है वो आपको लोग पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि आप जिस तरीके से आपने उसे निभाया है उससे आपको लगता है कि आपसे थोड़ा कभी कभार गुस्सा भी आता है प्यार भी आता है सो इट्स अ लवली लेयर्स दैट यू एडेड टू दिस कैरेक्टर एंड विशिंग यू द बेस्ट
Thank you.
थैंक यू well my next question is for Ritesh and you know Ritesh with Dabba Cartel Excel continues to push boundaries in streaming and what was it about Dabba Cartel that made you say that this is the next story I want to tell the world?
I think we already answered that in the beginning about what drew us to this story. But like I think the fact about like it being like we've all said this earlier about it's just that this is something new which you haven't seen. It's been like the title itself is intriguing. But I think what was important when you go out and work with in a collaborative manner with a streaming platform, I think with Netflix being there, it just made it easier. And I think one person who we should mention is also Tanya and her team, who've been amazing as collaborators on this. So thank you. And I think the next big story, now I can put them on the spot, is going to be the season 2. So we should move to that. Right, Hitesh, are you ready?
Thank you, Ritesh. And Farhan, next question's for you. Dabba Cartel has many female strong protagonists. And, what is the most exciting part about telling their story from their perspective?
Yeah, I think it's a question better answered by the women on the stage here. I don't want to come across as mansplaining, as to why the show. What I think is important, it's important that in entertainment, in creation of stories in film or on television or on OTT, that there is a strong female voice always present, that there always are female characters, strong, well-written female characters who are not only discussing men and discussing problems about home, that they have careers, that they have lives, because that to me will inspire many generations of younger women to also, apart from fulfill their dreams, also to be in this industry, which really should be a healthy mix of telling all kinds of stories and for all kinds of people. So for me, as Excel, that is important to both of us, not just to me. So that combined with a story that's as exciting as Dabba Cartel is, it was really, impossible to say no when Shibani first took me through what the show was about. And one can only then pray for the most incredible people and talent to get attached to a show. And here we have all these wonderful people on stage and over there, of course, and many people who aren't here on stage as well. But as a producer, that's really all you can hope for, is to get the best talent to be attached to your show. And I'm really, really proud of this show and what it represents. And hopefully all of you will enjoy it when you see it soon.
We love that perspective. Thank you. Thank you, Farhan. Shivani, next question to you. Now, this is a first for you behind the camera. And what a moment with Dabba Cartel. First of all, congratulations on that. The series blends high stakes action with deep emotional layers. Now, as both an EP and a creator, along with here Gaurav also as a creator, why this story and how did you lend your voice and vision to its creation?
So yes, Gaurav Kapoor is also a creator. We have Vishnu Menon in the audience, who is also a creator, and Akanksha as well. So this is obviously my first time as a creator, hopefully not the last. But it has been a huge learning experience for me. There's so much to absorb when you take on something like this when you're not used to doing it. But I have to say that when you are in a space where you are working in a writer's room on a show like this, which we did, our writers are there in the front here, Bhavna Kher and Vishnu Menon. Stand up, guys. Say hello to everybody. Don't be shy. So we worked in a writer's room over the lockdown. It was a very difficult situation to create the show in. And you're working in such a small little bubble. And you realize that once you take this show outside that bubble, it is such a collaborative experience. you start working with a production house, you then work with a platform, you then have a director on board who sees that vision through. You have actors who come in and take on the characters. You have wonderful producers who support your vision. So, you know, it's kind of easy to say, oh, you're the creator of the show, but the fact is that everybody that you see here up on the stage today, as well as those two tables in the front, and many other people behind the scenes, have really put in a lot of work to bring this vision to life. As a creator who is not a director, to be able to work with writers like Vishnu and Bhavna, who are able to bring your story to life, and they've done such an incredible job to work tirelessly over 4 years to bring that vision to life. And of course, Hitesh, who came on board a couple of years ago, it was such an incredible experience to be able to just hand it over to him because he just understood, you know? And when you have a director who just gets what it is that you want to do and is able to bring so much of his own vision to it, what you see today is his vision. And so as a creator, when you can hand it over to a director who you know will just take it to another level, it's the best thing that you could ask for. Obviously, the support of incredible producers like Ritesh, Farhan, Qasim, Abbas, who have worked very patiently with this very feisty creator who has not always made their lives easy. But they've really taught me so much and been incredibly patient. And then again, you know, working with Monica, Tanya, Shoaib, Vishaka, who I don't think is here today, who have helped bring this vision to life. It's just a massive, massive team effort. And so what you see, or what you will see on the 28th, is not just the creator's vision anymore, it's all of us here. We've all done it together.
But on a personal note as well, I have known Shibani for like 20 years. She's my bro, she's my fam. We've shared screen together. And I have seen her from day one of this show to now the D-Day of the show when it's going to be coming out. And while there's this beautiful cast and these wonderful producers, the writers, I have seen her shepherd this show. I have seen her be the glue, right? I have seen her hold things up when everything seemed to be falling apart. I have seen her champion everyone else except herself. And I just want to say that I am so proud of you, Shibani. And Dabba Cartel is because of you first. So I love you, and I'm really proud of you.
Well, definitely, she's an inspiration for millions. So thank you for being you, and thank you, Gaurav. And जैसे Shibani ने भी mention किया कि यहाँ पे किरदार हैं, पर काफी सारे और अहम किरदार हैं जिनकी वजह से डब्बा कार्टेल का विजन बोर्ड रियलिटी एक सपना सच हुआ है. उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां for each and every individual who's part of making Dabba Cartel what it is. So thank you for bringing us Dabba Cartel. And इसी के साथ अब मैं बोलना बंद करूंगा क्योंकि मीडिया के हमारे दोस्त जो हैं वो रुके हैं बेसब्री से अपने सवाल पूछने के लिए. So please, before you ask your questions, we open the floor for media question as in tradition. Please identify yourself, कौन से publication से हैं, and अहम बात ये है कि किससे सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, उससे हम directly respective individual से जवाब हासिल कर सकते हैं. So, and our volunteers will hand over the mic.
Right here. Hi. Hi everyone. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team. I mean, this is a casting coup in itself, so I guess it's fabulous to even be here and witness it. Congratulations. I'm Kunal Kothari. I'm from IWM Bars, and my question is obviously to the legend herself, Shabana ma'am. Ma'am, you've seen it all. You've done it all over the years. You know, people can keep asking you how does it feel and all that. But from where you started to where you're today, now you get to work with younger actors and obviously actors who were with you back then as well. What is the kind of, experience that you face, that you have today? Because for someone who started the way you started, and here you are, there's so much more, exposure and everybody being much more accepting. So how do you feel about that?
I love it. I love it. I really, really feel very grateful that I happen to be at the right place at the right time. And the fact that I'm working with younger actors who are bringing completely different sensibilities from mine is always very exciting because you learn from each other. And I must tell you that most of the younger actors come with some trepidation that abhi pata nahi kya hone wala, and they realize very soon कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, and they become so comfortable कि मुझे लात मार के उनको याद दिलाना पड़ता है मैं senior हूँ, behave yourselves. But it is a very exciting time, and for me, the realization that 50 years since I started, I'm still doing work that I enjoy. That I'm very grateful for, because I, like you said, I've done everything. And then at the end of all that, I realized that what I enjoy most is being an actor in front of the camera. So obviously, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, this is Divya from India Forums. First of all, congratulations to the team for this wonderful trailer. My question is to Anjali and Shalini, both of you. So, you know, the show is about how women take their lives, and it's done in the most extraordinary way. So, how did your characters go through this journey, and what do you admire the most about their journey?
So, Shahida, I'm playing Shahida, and she is a survivor. She's a fighter. And I think I have so much to learn from her, and there's so much I've already had in me that I could give to her, because, yeah, I am a survivor, a fighter myself, so I think I really enjoyed another flavor with Shahida, and flavor because Dabba, you know, anyway, so yeah, no, I'm not trying to be funny, but yeah, it's something that I really enjoyed playing. It's a very different character to what I've ever played before, and it was just really easy. Everybody on stage just made it really easy for me to be a part of it. I was the last addition to the cast, and it all happened very fast. I had not even read the script, but I got a call, and it was within 2 minutes, I was like, I'm in it, I'm doing it. And the third time I got to work with Shabana Azmi, so who's going to say no to that? In my very young career, I got to work with her again, and I would do it till the day I die.
Hello. Hi. Here.
Yeah, on the left.
She was going to answer.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, Shalini. Please
okay.
continue. Sorry.
Hi, so I'm playing Raji. And Raji she seems like a very sweet, simple, homely girl, which she is. But then she goes through a turmoil and loses her innocence and does not even know what depth she has. And I have, as a character, discovered that depth while doing this. And it was a great experience for me. And how Raji, that seems like she can, you know, how she flips completely, and how her morals and everything, like, you'll see how it changes. It was a discovery for Shalini and while playing Raji for me. So it was very interesting playing Raji. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Hi, congratulations, guys. The trailer looks wonderful. I'm Amar from Amarazi. I have two questions. My first question is for Ritesh. Dabba Cartel represents a high-stakes storyline. So what was your vision for this, and how do you collaborated with Netflix for the global audience? And my second question is for Shivani and Gaurav. Being people who were involved in the casting process, how easy or difficult was to get these people, which is one-of-a-kind cast, like it's a gift? Thank you.
I can answer first. You want to answer first? No. Well, I mean, in terms of the cast, I mean, as Shabana said, she didn't really have a choice. She was already a part of the cast before the story was even developed. I knew that she was going to be Sheila. And then we took the story to her. I don't even think we narrated it to her. I think we just gave her a two-liner and she said yes. In terms of the other cast, again, it was such a huge team effort between Excel and Netflix to find this perfect blend of the cast that we have today. Anjali was a very last minute, but a very incredible addition to the team for sure. And she has fit the character of Shahida perfectly. But I have to say, I can't imagine these characters being played by anybody else. You know, it's one thing to kind of put them on paper, but to be able to bring them to life the way that this cast has, you can't unsee it now. This is what it is. So we're very happy.
Shall I make my confession?
Yes.
I have tried to remove two girls from this. One is Jyotika.
Oh my God.
She doesn't know this. But I said, nahi, Jyotika ko nahi, isko lo, usko lo, usko lo, usko lo. And it's really creditable to these guys who said, you can do what you want. We are not going to change her. And I really am grateful that you played it. Honestly and truly, truly, it was my mistake. And it has robbed me of, it would have robbed me of the pleasure of working with you. Thank you very much. Second one yahan hai nahi, bichari. Not you, not you. It wasn't you.
हमें एक्चुअली आई कैन टेल यू कि हमने पहला नाम जब शिवानी जी का लिखा था, मैंने शिवानी को कहा अब कोई एक्टर नानी बोलेगा, एक बारी वो हाँ बोलते कोई नानी बोलेगा.
You'll have to repeat
You'll
the
have to
question
repeat
for
the
Hitesh, he
questions.
forgot.
उनको लगा रितेश का है तो उन्होंने सुना नहीं.
My first question was for Ritesh and Farhan. I was asking that it's a high-stakes storyline. So how do you, like, what was the discussion point with Netflix for the global audience?
इस बात से इस सवाल से एक ही चीज प्रूव हुई है कि हितेश के अलावा हम नहीं सुन रहे थे. हितेश was the only one listening. Sorry, your question was what was this?
How did you work on the story?
Dabba Cartel represents a high-stakes storyline. What was your discussion with Netflix for it to resonate with the global audience?
Yeah, you know, actually, we've been in conversation even before Dabba Cartel of trying to find something that our creative sensibilities could align on. And we knew very, very clearly that there is a certain standard of script writing, of storytelling that Netflix wants to work with. And this is something that we took to them the minute we had it. We knew that we should reach out to Monica and to her team and pitch them this idea. Because, I mean, apart from the fact, like everyone has spoken about, so I won't go back into it in terms of what the genre is and what it is. I think a huge part of it also, which was touched upon by many people on stage, was that it is such a female, woman-centric show. And it has a very, very strong female voice. And we did think from our end that that is something that Netflix would align on. And we reached out to them and we were, I mean, not surprised, I think is the right way to say it, that they were completely on board with wanting to do it.
Yeah, to your question, which you were asking about for a global audience, I think जब जो भी कहानी आप सुनते हैं पहले बार, like when you hear it and you hear the story, I think the first thing is, do you connect with it? Is there some way of identifying with these characters and their life and their journey? तो अगर आप एक emotional connect बनाते हो उससे, you go out and tell that story, and if it connects to us here, I think, or in the country of its origin, it'll connect everywhere else. So I think that's the same thing which stands true with most stories. Like this will be some kind of an emotion. In this, like I said, these characters are so fascinating and all of them have so many layers that at somewhere, you know, you see each one of them. And when you see, आपने trailer से देखा होगा, even that little bit of the skit which they put up before introducing each of these characters, I think it makes you identify with them. And that's what happened when we read it the first time.
I think it's also important to note that the world that these women come from, and I think this is a good question for Hitesh, for him to be able to direct these characters and understand this world, what was that like for you, Hitesh? I'll ask you since they're not doing it.
No, I think that was also my starting point for the show, that though the show is about crime and drama, none of these people were or are criminals. You know, they're normal characters who are dealing with their own challenges, everyday challenges in their life, and how they get entangled and how their characters go through a whirlwind ride. I think that honestly was my starting point, that okay, this is something unique. This is something that I don't remember seeing on screen. And then how these characters took, you know, a different shape and where they start and eventually, you know, the kind of choices they make. I think that is something that I was personally very excited about. And their relationships with each other. I think that... Why don't you talk about it?
Thank you.
Hi.
We have time for two last
Hi,
questions,
this side.
please. Last two
This
questions,
is
please.
Abhimanyu from Hindustan Times.
By the center.
This is a question for Jyotika and Sai. You guys have been doing this for a while, and of late we have seen that there's been a shift in the tonality of female characters there, who are no longer just love interests. They're calling the shot themselves in mainstream commercial entertainment. How do you see the evolution of that from when you started to now?
So my shift happened when I was 27. I'm 45 now. So it's been a long time since I've shifted from the love interests and praising the hero roles. Yes, it's been a conscious effort. I think it's very much required. There are a lot of stories to be told from the female perspective. There are fewer. There's a lot. I feel Dabba Cartel especially is a very fresh take on how women are and their battle as domesticated women and women facing the outer world. And especially Varuna, I feel as a character was an extremely complex but simple character, who lived a facade for the outside world, but there was something deep and rooted inside her. So I just find these complications in a character are very, very important and are the obvious in every woman's lives. So basically the connect with a real woman out there is what makes me choose a character. So the shift has been long ago. I'm just very glad and thankful to Excel for just bringing me on this larger podium and giving me the space to prove and perform. And yes, though I know I won't be asked this, but just standing with Shabana Azmi ma'am, just being in her reflection and just observing her as an actor, I think that has sort of made me a much better actor. I just cannot, the first frame that I saw of myself with her while dubbing for this, I just had goosebumps, it was just both of us in one frame. And I was like, am I sharing the screen space with the Shabana Azmi? I haven't been this excited with a male actor, seriously. So I think this is a very special one for me. Thank you, Shabani, and thank you, Excel. Thank you.
Thank you for such a lovely question. I think you have to be very patient and you have to keep at it to see the change without giving up. And I think that's what I have been doing, and it's finally paying off. And I'm very happy to be here, sitting with such amazing personalities, amazing creative people. I've always loved Excel and their passion to tell unique stories. And today I'm a part of it. It feels fantastic. So yeah, relentlessness is one more thing that you have to do when you want to see a change, you want to see the shift. And I'm very happy that it is happening. And women like us will be at it till the change happens. And I'm sure golden days are, here. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
Time for one last question.
Yes. Hi. My question is for Lilith, ma'am. Hi, my name is Nishad. I'm from CNN News 18. Ma'am, hi, nice to see you again. Ma'am, you and Shabana, ma'am, know each other for a long time. And though you guys joke about wigs and the props in the series, has there been a discussion, and you guys have seen the transition of what we call the modern cinema or the modern series that we see these days. Has there been any discussion between you guys ki kya hi ban raha hai aajkal?
Shall I speak the truth? I don't know. Shabana's done a fabulous and a huge amount body of work on screen. I haven't. I got into films when I was older than Jyotika, at 46, very late in my life. So my body of work has been very eclectic, from international to national to independent to commercial. I mean, I was free. I was free to do whatever the heck I wanted. I hadn't come with a big star kind of thing, so I just did whatever I wanted to. And you all know that my heart and my soul and my everything belongs to the theater. So having said that, I have not seen the development and growth of OTT and, let's say, cinema. I mean, I first saw her on a set when she was shooting Kissa Kursi Ka, when I'm a couple of years younger than her. And I was, I'd gone with a friend, and I knew the producer, director. And so I saw her then, and I thought she was fab. So I have not observed it at close quarters and with the kind of intensity and involvement that Shabana has. Of course, there's been a sea change. I mean, I think the work that she was doing at that time with Shyam Babu and other people was extraordinary. And then the commercial cinema, et cetera, et cetera. So when we're talking about a change, we are talking about cinema. Commercial cinemas kind of remain the same. Independent or more middle-of-the-road cinema has definitely changed. They're very, very interesting voices. I mean, all we imagine is light, girls will be girls. I mean, these films would never have happened 10, 15 years ago. So, yes, all that, new voices, all women actually, wonderful. So lots of womenly voices coming out, and a lot of very interesting stories. OTT gave a fantastic platform for let's say, the alternative voices. So yes, there is a change, but to tell the truth, when Shabana and I are shooting, we're shooting The Breeze and talking about, of course, films and plays and theater and all that. And I love chatting with her. She's a very bright and very interesting lady and has similar tastes. But we also talk a lot about food and a lot of nonsense, you know. So as you do with people you're comfortable and familiar with. So yes, a little bit about that, but more about other more fun stuff actually. So, but I do think, yes, you asked me a question, though we didn't discuss it in depth. When we like something, we've often discussed that, oh, that was fantastic, or that was really quite rubbish, and we know it's not going to go anywhere, hopefully. So yeah, that happened. So I don't know if Shabana wants to add something. But yeah.
No, the simple answer to your question is no. We didn't discuss these things. But of course, for me, you know, the advent of the casting director has brought a huge change. Because look what the casting director has done. It's freed Hindi cinema from stock characters. ये ओम प्रकाश जी करेंगे, ये शिवराज जी करेंगे, ये etc. etc. It's just freed it. And so we've got the most fascinating faces which are authentic. And what that does, I think, also to mainstream actors is, you know, when you are surrounded, because acting is about reacting basically, and when you see that you're surrounded by authentic characters, you start also sort of pulling up your socks and you say, this is one of my favorite examples. I say that, you know, Qarz, Rishi Kapoor ki jo Qarz thi, itne saal pehle, it was such a huge hit. But you can see that he is not playing the guitar, he's just strumming it. He's not doing anything with the chords. Today it is impossible. I don't think any actor could get away, and I don't think that any actor would think it is okay. The actor would take the challenge and learn. So I think this is in itself the growth of actors all around, and the fact that we are now taking many more interesting faces, and the stories don't have to be only about a pretty boy and a pretty girl. And I think that's brought a huge change, both for men and for women.
Hi, I have a question for Monica. Hi, this is Boni here from Midday, over here. So Netflix has been championing diverse content, really pushing the envelope. What sets Dabba Cartel apart, and how does it contribute to your glowing slate of Indian originals?
I think all of us have collectively spoken a lot about the show and what it, and personally me also in the opening, but I just want to you know, put things in perspective. If we look at what Netflix is interested in doing and what kind of stories that we are keen on bringing out, and how Dabba kind of, you know, champions that. It's very important for us as streaming pioneers and leaders all over the world to be not only innovative about the stories we bring, but also to constantly keep, you know, listening to the audience and coming closer to the audience in terms of what people want to see more of. So I think Dabba in that sense really reflects the lives of people out there, common people that we see, and like I said, the everyday hustle that they have, and yet, you know, things happen to them. They're ordinary people, and they make some choices, and those unlock extraordinary circumstances for them and how they have to deal with. I think for us, it's really important to make the best stories in the best way possible to enable our creators, our partners, to really bring their vision to life and to work with them creatively in a way where we are able to take these stories to the widest, you know, audiences in India. And I'm very sure that Dabba is going to be that show that is going to be watched and talked about because of the, you know, such a stellar cast, a story that is very fresh, and that challenges you at every point to think that what decision would you have made? Would you do this? Would you not do this? So I think that sort of is something that we really want to do. We want to involve the audience in the storytelling. We want to give them an entertaining and binge experience, and also leave something with them which stays much after they've watched. And that is what we strive to do as Netflix with every story, whether it's documentary, it's big scripted series, it's films that we make, or cinema that we bring on the service. And just constantly trying to, you know, entertain everyone. So that's an endeavor. And Dabba Cartel is another creative endeavor in that direction. And I'm just very excited about it.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you. And that's all the time we have for the Q&A. I'm the bad cop. Yes, मैं हूँ. But apologies, but that's all the time we have. And thank you, Monica. You know, we are inquisitive and curious just by looking at the trailer. I want to know it all. So wishing everyone the best. And this is a perfect time to capture the moment. So may I request all of you to please step forward for a nice photo op. Thank you for joining us, to all our friends from the media. बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया आज हमारे साथ यहाँ पर जुड़ने के लिए. And don't forget to catch and watch Dabba Cartel 28 फरवरी से only on Netflix. Thank you once again. This is Sachin Kumbar signing off. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.